Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Usha Vyas. Today, my topic is Look Back in Anger. And the question that I am discussing today is whether do you agree with the view that Look Back in Anger is a dated play, or Look Back in Anger has a permanent appeal, or that it has lost its validity in our times. The immediacy and topicality of this play, Look Back in Anger, has been generally regarded as an expression of the mood of disillusionment, frustration, and rebelliousness of post-war youth. And Jimmy Porter has been regarded as a spokesman of that post-war generation. In fact, the tremendous appeal of the play to the audiences was due to its immediacy and topicality. Jimmy, a rebel against society. What after all is the reason for Jimmy's anger, resentment, and what are his grievances? The play is a protest against contemporary society. Jimmy seems to be a rebel against society which had betrayed the young people and against an older generation. Jimmy's opposition to the middle class. Jimmy is also a rebel against the class distinction of which he found himself to be a victim. Allison's parents had fiercely opposed Allison's marriage to him, and that opposition has left bitter memories of them in his mind. He not only talks in a sarcastic and condemnatory manner about Allison's parents and Allison herself, but in a most offensive and insulting manner. Jimmy averse to politics and to economic theorizing. Jimmy finds nothing in politics to attract him. Nigel, Allison's brother, is a politician, and Jimmy thinks that man to be devoid of any worth. Jimmy critical of religious practices. Jimmy is a rebel against religious practices and rituals also. He never wanted to get married. He feels annoyed when his wife, under the influence of Helena, starts going to church again. Jimmy's other grievances. Jimmy speaks up against many other things too. He finds fault with so-called posh papers which publish, among other things, idle gossip and silly views. The change in present-day condition. Much water has flowed under the bridges since this play was first produced in 1956. The problems and conditions of the present-day British society are widely different from what they were in the mid-50s, which were characterized by the mood of disillusionment verging upon despair, consequent upon the non-fulfillment of the hopes of the youth of the times. The extent to which the play has dated. In view of the facts, much of the basis for Jimmy's resentment and anger has ceased to exist, and Look Back in Anger has therefore become a dated play. It can no longer have same appeal for today's audiences or readers in England. With the change in social and political conditions, people's attitude also change. Now we will see elements of enduring interest. And yet certain aspects of Look Back in Anger still have an undeniable validity even today. And the play does have relevance for present day world in some respects. Look Back in Anger is not one of the greatest of English plays, and we cannot expect it to possess the same enduring appeal which the greatest works of literature possess. Look Back in Anger may be classified as a literary work of average merit, so far as its appeal for us, for the coming generation, is concerned. The value of suffering. At least one of Jimmy's comments has a positive and permanent value, and that is the value of suffering as an essential part of human experience. The need for comradeship. Above all, there is a fundamental need of every human being for some kind of comradeship with another, some kind of understanding with one another, some kind of fellow feeling, some sentimental relationship. Moral insight is the last concluding point. Thus, the play offers to us certain moral insights which are timeless and which will never lose their appeal. The portrayal of characters in the play further contributes to its permanent appeal. The portrayal of each character is psychologically true and convincing. All the characters come alive. Cliff does not have any part in the action of the play, and only slight part in the dialogue. Is a memorable person because of certain quality in him, which is of great value, and that quality is fidelity. Besides these moral and psychological aspects of the play, there is entertainment value which cannot become stale. The brilliant wit of Jimmy Porter imparts a certain value to the play which cannot fade. All these characteristics all contribute to making the play and having an everlasting appeal. This is all for today. Thanks so much for watching.